Turning the engine HV0797. All turning good. On the front all looks good, as you can see, no damage, no broken. And on this side all looks good as well, no damage. Starter looking like so, in good condition. And compressor looking good, no damage. Alternator looks good. And on the top all looks good as well. On the back side all looks like so. This one is NGB, no gearbox engine. And on this side all looks good, no damage, no broken. Turbo in good condition. And underneath all looks good, no damage, no broken. Turning the engine HV0797. Thank you.